Skylander. That scary lady took Tessa, and there's no telling what she'll do. Get your ship started, Sharpie.
We're not taking my ship, Flynn. She may be fast, but there's no way she'll make it past Chaos's defenses. So, we're taking yours. Introducing the all-new Dread Yacht. Fully loaded with a pair of titanium-mounted twin 14,000cc engines with power-cycled radiant coolant deployment.
Wowzers! That is awesome!
You also got your double set of triple-amplified gramophones with elf-made high-fidelity audio transfer, complete with a magical 0.4 decibel decay rate.
I don't even know what that all means!
And to top it off, a high-gloss candy-coated paint job with leprechaun gold-plated trim for all the world to see.
Well, me and my fixed-up and fully upgraded ship are ready to go, Skylander. So you just say the word, and we're on our way.
A friend of mine is out there keeping an eye on Kaos Fortress. He'll be able to get you inside.
Wow, that's good thinking.
You ready to go rescue Tessa, Skylander? We need to get moving.
You think this is the place?
Yeah, I'd say so. We're getting close. Drop the ship into spy mode.
There's a spy mode?
And a hot tub. Didn't you read the manual?
There's a manual? My ship is awesome!
They gotta be holding Tessa in that big tower.
Well, then let's just fly up and get her.
They're not so fast, Flynn. They've got cannons on those towers.
Even worse, they've got sheepshooters.
We can't move in until those sheepshooters are taken out.
Oh, what about the scary lady?
If Chaos's mum wants to start trouble, then she's going to have to deal with the Skylanders. All right, Skylander. This is as far as we can take you. You're going to need to find a way over that wall.
Then take out those 3 sheepshooter cannons and boom, we're in. Good luck, Chief.
Skylander, don't look directly at me. They're always watching. Act casual! Special Agent 321, designation soft paw, at your service. Heard you need to get over that wall. I'm the fox that can make it happen. First, hop into this disguise. The scout hazards to elude and escape poncho. Codenamed Sheep. Here is where the sheep are sheared before being launched to the gunners. You will enter the shearer and allow yourself to be launched past their outer defenses. It's brilliant! Now, into the sheep costume. Do not try and make contact until we reach the rendezvous point. See you on the other side. Soft paw, going dark.
Confirmed.
I ride! Skylanders of the life element are stronger in this zone.
Hide and sleek. Chompy paste pedal. Right into my trap.
Rendezvous achieved! We're now inside the secret laboratory section of this here fortress. They're doing all kinds of experiments. You'll see. Your next mission is to gain access to the secure area. Get the key, and we will speak again at the next rendezvous point. Soft Paw, going dark!
Payday.
K-Bot Gloop Gunner.
I needed that. Stay out of my way. Level up. Power boost. Better luck next time. Level up.
Only a swap Skylander with the speed ability can activate this swap.
If there's a drill, there's a way.
Ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Good job. Great job.
getting it done.
K-Bot Mine Miner.
I've made contact! Perimeter secured! We are now free to speak.
I've acquired this high-velocity stealth transport device and disguised it to look like a common surfboard. For no reason at all, really! But it looks really cool. With it, you can surf right past their defenses and reach the next contact point. Hop on the surfboard and get going, Skylander!
Soft pop, going dark!
Success! Big time!
Level up.
Power boost!
Skylander, over here! This area is patrolled by eye-in-the-sky bots with automated searchlight and sear beams. What that means to you is, don't get caught in the spotlight. They'll see you, and it will also hurt. I repeat, avoid the lights. Here you go, Skylander. I've reformatted the sheep disguise to fool the eye-in-the-sky bots. Good luck! Soft pop, going dark!
Sheep confirmed. Sheep confirmed. Sheep confirmed.
Getting it done!
Ship confirmed. Ship confirmed. Ship confirmed. Ship confirmed.
Let's go! Monkey see, monkey do!
Hey, Skylander! I've rigged this spark lock to explode! Completing it will destroy this gun turret and about 3 square blocks! Ha!
Everything counts.
Better get moving, Skylander! That tower's about to blow! Get to the surfboard and get out of here!
Don't worry about me. I've trained my whole life for this. I'll meet you at the next rendezvous point. Softpaw out!
Skylanders of the air element are stronger in this zone.
One strike and you're out!
Bring the sting! Boing, boing!
K-Bot Explode Shard.
Only a swap Skylander with the bounce ability can activate this swap zone.